Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have an animated base for a fighter class Butler by Holder, a pack of 50 unique mushroom icons by Free Game Assets, a collection of weapon images and icons by sharematerial.net, an icon pack of medieval weapons by Washi, an MV&MZ plugin by Lulu's Church that automatically changes the outline color of the text depending on how bright or dark the text color is, an MV&MZ plugin by Takeshi Sunagawa that runs a common event before and after a transfer, a sprite set of Maids and Butler by Dreamy Pixel Art, and lastly, a tutorial on how to event a minimap by Planet T0. And that is all for today. From now on, I'm going to use an extension to force a dark mode on bright web pages, so it's more easier on the eyes. Please do comment below and let me know how you feel about this change, and then go back to game making.
Сияет во тьме.